In CivPens Academy, we take limited batch size. Due to this, we are able to concentrate on each and every student properly. We know strength and weakness of each and every student, so accordingly we can teach it in the class. Okay. Now, parents have telephone numbers of all the teachers, so they can contact us at any time and they can ask whatever difficulties and doubts they have regarding the students. Similarly, if we are having any issues regarding the student, we can contact the parents directly and we can tell our issues and concerns. See, we take a regular weekly test in the class. Our tests are online. So when we take the test, the software which is there, so in that software we get the result of the student. Okay, so how many questions he has attempted, how much time he has taken for attempting the questions, how many wrong questions he has answered. Okay, and depending upon that result analysis, we can evaluate the student. That result analysis is available with the student. Even the parents can view the result analysis. Okay, so depending upon that, we suggest what are the things that the student need to improve. Okay, now this happens only because of the limited batch only. Okay, suppose we know which students are weak and which students are strong. So accordingly, we ask them doubts and then we get the answer from the students. So this also happens only because of the limited batch size that we have in the class. So if you go to some other classes, like those classes who are having 100 or 150 students, so such things cannot be done in those classes. So that is the basically advantage which we have in our class. So in every third week of every month, we take parent-teacher meeting. So in that parent-teacher meeting, teachers and parent are there in the meeting, and then we discuss what are the things that are being done, how much syllabus has been covered in the class, and what are the difficulties that the students are facing, and then even parents discuss their doubts which we clear in the meeting. So because of that, parents are totally aware what is happening in the class and what is the progress of the students in the class. See, since the batch size is limited and we know each and every student properly, so that's why teaching becomes really enjoyable in the class. Similarly, students don't hesitate while asking doubts to us. So they can ask anything which they want and we clear the doubts. So both teachers and student are enjoy batch size. While teaching in the class, what we do is we correlate the practical things that are taking place to the theoretical part, so that because of which the understanding of the student increases. The students are able to understand the concepts and things properly. If we find that the student is not performing properly or if he is average, then we give extra homework to that student and we ensure that the student does that homework properly. Actually, we give study material for the student to the student and notes. We ask the student to take the running notes during the class. That are also very helpful. So we do arrange guest lectures. Okay. So different guests they come and they deliver lecture which becomes very helpful for the student. We also have counseling sessions for the students. For example, if a student is having some problem, then we can arrange counseling session for the students. Also, the passed out students which are there, which have got admission in good colleges. So we arrange guest lecture of such students also. As you know that when a student is explaining something to another student, then the understanding becomes better. So that is the advantage of conducting guest lecture in the class. See, when a student gets selected in some college, he gets the admission in good college or he gets qualified for certain exam, then that becomes a proud moment for us.